The whole hillside is covered in flowers.
There's a snake behind it.
You know most when we
Look
cycle.
there, look.
Hey, Marizan! Mas!
It is so small.
Oh, it's so tiny. It looks like a head.
Somehow it's managed to grow in between a bush. That lily.
At some point, I think you're not allowed to cut them.
Close enough to see the airplanes leave and land. Nice thing from this about this hike, you get to see all, if not most, of Cape Town. There's Signal Hill and Lion's Head and Table Mountain shrouded in the distance.
Oh, right here.
See, we're nearly there. And this is the view from the picnic area.
Guys.
And
That was cool. I think Clarence scared me because I'm very wary of distances. So even though it was like 3 point whatever Ks, my brain was like,
it can be one of those
it
tough
could
ones.
be, yeah.
That'll take 2 hours.
So it was, I think we've had a break from being fit for a while, but it was a good reminder of what we had, because we did this before you arrived.
Yeah.
So we managed to do that like that. So I think it was good. The uphills were a bit manageable.
It reminded us of how unfit we are, but also of the things we enjoy doing.
Yes,
Hiking.
it was really nice. We got to see colorful birds.
And we saw field mouse or something, which is pretty cool, and guinea fowl,
Yes.
and of course ticks. But yeah, all in all, a good hike. Good to be back.